Adding image or videos to frames. Firstly, identify the frame where you wish to add an image or video. Once you've selected your frame, navigate to the Editor side panel. From here, click on the Elements option, following which you can select either photos or videos depending on the type of media you wish to include. Should you have a specific image or video in mind, you can utilize the search bar at the top. This allows you to directly look for specific photos or videos that meet your needs. If you prefer to browse, there are also category buttons situated below the search bar. These allow you to explore the vast library of visuals according to different genres or styles. However, if you have a certain photo or video that you have personally created or sourced which you would like to use, click on the Uploads tab, and this will allow you to upload your own photos and videos. If you haven't previously uploaded your chosen media, this is where you should do so. Now comes the exciting part, adding your selected media to the frame. Simply drag the photo or video you've selected or uploaded towards the frame. Continue this action until it's suitably placed within.